In today's video, we are going to cover how to add video to Shopify without YouTube. If you're already logged into Shopify, start from the left side of the admin, open Content, then click Files. This takes you to the Shopify file library, where uploaded media is stored for use across your store. Once the Files area is open, click Upload Files. Choose the video file from your computer that you want to place on your storefront. After you select it, Shopify will begin uploading the file to your library. Give it a moment to finish. The upload time will depend on the file size and your connection, so wait until the process is complete before moving on. When the upload is done, find the video in the files list. This confirms that the file is now available inside Shopify. You may also notice a link icon next to the file. If you need the direct file URL for any reason, you can copy it here, but for this process, the main goal is making sure the uploaded video is available in the library. Now go back to the Shopify admin menu and open Online Store. From there, select Themes. Find the theme you want to work on, then click Customize. This opens the theme editor where you can control the layout and content of the storefront. Inside the editor, move to the page or template where you want the video to appear. The exact area will depend on where you want customers to see it, so make sure you are editing the correct template before you add anything. Next, click Add Section. Choose a section that supports uploaded videos. Depending on your theme, this might be called Video or Video Banner. The wording can vary slightly, but the section needs to support a video file from Shopify rather than an external YouTube link. After adding that section, look for the video settings within it. Instead of pasting a YouTube URL, click Select Video. This is the key part of the process because it tells Shopify to use a file from your own files library. A file picker should appear. Select the video you uploaded earlier to Shopify. Once it is chosen, the section will update and load the video into the preview. At this stage, review the storefront preview carefully and confirm that the video appears in the correct place and displays as expected within the section you selected. If everything looks right, click Save in the theme editor. That stores the change in your theme so the uploaded video stays connected to that page or template. Thanks for watching. Your Shopify store now displays an uploaded video from the files library without using YouTube.